to know. If you wanna light your man on fire, you gotta start it real slow.
Come on now.
Keep on turning up that voltage till that man begin to glow. Like you're switching on a light bulb. Watch the juice begin to flow.
All right now.
Now that I got your attention, here's what you mean to you.
All right, now, check this out.
Yo, won't your lady racing with you? You gotta get high and give. Well, keep the key to every motor, find the spot you love the best. If you don't know where it is, give her the sticker. She'll do the rest. Push the button, push the button. You gotta push it if you wanna come in. Oh, push the button. Give me something to let your baby know it ain't no sin. Well, if you wanna feel the train of come your way, baby, push the button and pull the window shade. Now listen, all you red hot lovers, you ought to know what to do.
You ought to know what to do.
There ain't nothing wrong with nothing. That's right with both of you. So when tonight you make your love, I cry out like a lion roar. Tell your neighbors your new kitty found for cream. It's looking for. Push the button, push the button. You gotta push it if you wanna come in. Oh, push the button. Give me something to let your baby know it ain't no sin. Well, if you wanna feel the train of come your way, baby, push the button and pull the window shade. Come on in. Now, ladies, I need you to work a little harder, okay? I want you to reach down and I need you to find your inner Shug, baby. There you go.